Actually, the very first thing you must do is charge the charger, because what's the point of having an e-bike if you don't have a charger? So let's go build the e-bike now. In this video, we're gonna unbox this Ecotric foldable e-bike I got from Amazon last week, and I have not opened it because I am intimidated. I've never set up a bike. In this video, we're gonna unbox it and then set it up and then test it, and then I'm gonna give an honest review about it. This is 350 watt foldable e-bike, 20 inch. It's definitely for the women or teens. The 26 inch is kind of high for me. 22 to 24 is okay, but I couldn't find that one and I want something light. This is 50 pounds and I think you can load 50 pounds in boats, trains, and planes. So let's get started. If you're wondering what this is a bike carrying bag that I got from Amazon as well. And we're gonna test it if it's easy to fold and place it in this bag. Okay, we'll cut it out. So it came like this. It's pretty heavy. Let's bring them out one by one now. Accessory bag.
Women.
Whew. How exciting! It's already spinning. It looks like the stool.
"2,000 years later."
Looking good now. Now we're about to install the chair.
Later that day.
So it has like this left side. So this is the right, so it's the wrong one. So he has to do the right one. This is it. Okay, next one.
A few inches later.
I'm kind of nervous. We're about to test this electric bike right now. Okay, probably doesn't have a battery. This thing is defective, if you could see it. Take two. This thing breaks. Breaks well. But I still have to check how the e-bike works, so I think I'm gonna charge it first. Oh, right there. See it? If it's red, I guess it's working. So lesson learned, I forgot to charge the charger, and the first charge will have to take hours. So I missed that one. Next time what I'm gonna do is charge the charger first.